Class 12th Commerce, subject Accountancy, chapter number 5, Retirement, Death of a Partner. It is lecture number 7. I am continuing death of a partner. In lecture number 6 also, I explained you about the death of a partner. In this lecture number 7, we will do again the continuation of calculation of profit of a deceased partner. In lecture number 6 also I explained the same thing. Point number 1, calculation of profit of a deceased partner on time basis. It is point number 1, it is on time basis. In this method, profit of last year is taken into consideration. It means last year's profit will be taken and the time for which he remained a partner, it means up to the time of death. जिस समय तक वो जिंदा रहा वो समय आपने लेना है करंट ईयर का. पिछला वाला ईयर लास्ट ईयर you will take complete and after that you will take the time for the time duration he was alive. In this method, profit of last year is taken into consideration and the time for which he remained a partner during the current year. Point number 2, on the basis, it is the calculation of profit, calculation of share of profit of a deceased partner. Point number 2, on the basis of last year's profit. And now we shall calculate the proportionate profit up to the date of death. डेथ तक का आपने प्रॉफिट लेना है एंड देन कैलकुलेट द डिसीज पार्टनर शेयर. उसके बाद में डिसीज पार्टनर के प्रॉफिट शेयर का कैलकुलेशन करना है. Now move on to question number 59, page number 5.131. Hari, Mohan and Sohan were partners in a firm. They were all partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. The firm closes its books on 31st March every year. Mohan died on 24th August 2017. On Mohan's death, the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 75,000. The partnership deeds provided that on the death of a partner, his share in the profits of the firm in the year of his death, it will be calculated on the basis of last year's profit. The profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2017 was rupees 2 lakh. It means this was the profit and the profit it is of rupees 2 lakh. Calculate Mohan's share of profit till the time of his death and prepare the necessary journal entries. It means you will write journal entries and after that for the treatment you will write journal entries for treatment of goodwill and his share of profits. Now move on to solution of question number 59. See the working notes. Point number 1. Mohan's share of goodwill. It is equal to rupees 75,000 multiplied by his share. It is 2 by 5. And the total amount of share of goodwill is rupees 30,000. This amount will be debited to the capital accounts of Hari and Sohan in their gaining ratio. And the gaining ratio is 2:1. Point number 2. Number of days from 31st to August 24th. 31st March. It is March is missing, so don't worry. It is March. 31st March to August 24th. They are total 146 days. Again, listen. It is March 31st. Okay, it is written. I did not see. Mohan's share of profit. Now, it is the calculation of Mohan's share of profit. It is equal to rupees 2 lakh into the time that you have calculated just now. It is 146 days. Mohan's share of profit is equal to rupees 2 lakh into 146 divided by 365. Amount is rupees 32,000. This is the share, Mohan's share of profit, rupees 32,000. Now see, it is continued along with C. 24th August 2017. Now these are the journal entries. Hari's capital account debit 20,000. Sohan's capital account debit 10,000. To Mohan's capital account 30,000. Share of goodwill adjusted into the capital accounts of Hari and Sohan in their gaining ratio, and their gaining ratio is 2:1. One more thing, listen very carefully because this is teaching through PPT. So I have written long narration so that you may not be in confusion, so that you are confident. Otherwise, so much lengthy narration is never required. Board does not allow you more marks if you write narration in lengthy way. I have written it in lengthy way so that there is no doubt. Listen carefully. Move on to journal entry number 2nd on the same date, 24th August 2017. P&L suspense account debit 32,000. To Mohan's capital account rupees 32,000. And see the narration. Share of profit up to 24th August 2017. Now move on to question number 60. It is on page number 5.131. Name of the book, it is D.K. Goyal. You can open your book while you are getting knowledge from this PPT. A, B and C are sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. A dies on 31st December 2019. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Sales for the year ending 31st March 2019 amounted to rupees 4 lakh. It means the sales for 31st March 2019, this is the amount of sales rupees 4 lakh. Partners are 3, A, B and C, and they have their PSR. PSR means profit sharing ratio of 4:3:2. Sales of rupees 3,30,000 amounted between the period from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 31st August December share 2019 in the current year's profits of the profits and now you will calculate the share of profit of this March 2019 they are amounted to rupees 60,000. Sales are given to you. It is now solution of question number 60. Profit from 1st April 2019 to 31st December 2019. It is on sales basis, on the basis of sales. It is written in a unitary method and it will be very much easier for you to understand. If sales are of rupees 4 lakh, then profit is rupees 60,000. अगेन लिसन, सेल्स है यहाँ पर 4 लाख की और प्रॉफिट्स हैं आपके 60,000 के. Now, if sales are of rupees 3,30,000, then profit 60,000 divided by 4 lakh into 3,30,000. It is of rupees 49,500. Now, out from this total profit, you have to find A's share in profits. A's share in profits will be rupees 49,500 multiplied by uska share 4 by 9. That is rupees 22,000. 22,000. It is the A's share in profits. Now see, this is your homework of chapter number 5. You will solve question 61 and 64. Thank you so much. Work hard. Enjoy this time, but do not spoil your studies. It is homework solution of lecture number 5. Solution number 47 and it is on page number 5.125. Question is on 5.125. See, in this it is the revaluation account. In revaluation account, debit is done for losses and credit is done for profits. In debit side, to workman compensation claim 6,000. In debit side, to investment account 15,000. These are the losses. Now move on to buy provision for bad and doubtful debts 1,000. It is profit. And then see, the debit side is more. Debit side ज्यादा है तो नुकसान होगा और जब नुकसान होगा तो क्रेडिट में आ जाएगा. By loss transfer to Lalit's capital account 10,000. Madhur's capital account 6,000. Nina's capital account 4,000. It is all 20,000. And now 21,000 and 21,000. It is the balancing figure. And the loss that is of rupees overall 20,000. Now move on to partners capital account. And now I hope that for the since very much beginning, I am teaching you about partners capital account. Things will be very clear, very easy for you now to understand. See, by balance BD, this is the capital appearing in balance sheet. By Lalit's capital account, by Nina's capital account. These both items, they are of goodwill. Now move on to debit side. To revaluation account, it is the loss 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. To P&L account 5,000, 3,000. Then goodwill, it has been written off from previous balance sheet. मधुर से कैपिटल अकाउंट 10,929 और कैश हमने उसको दिया है 10,300 का. बाकी का जो अमाउंट है दैट इज फॉर मधुर्स लोन अकाउंट दैट इज ऑफ रुपीज 30,000. सी, ललित का मनी है 10,000 फॉर रिवैल्यूएशन, 5,000 फॉर P&L, 10,000 फॉर गुडविल. उसके बाद में Madhur's capital account 10,929 and 4,371. These two figures, they are of goodwill. And then see, मधुर लोन अकाउंट बैलेंसिंग फिगर है आपका 30,000. मधुर रिटायर हो रहा है, उसको पैसा हमें देना है, अभी दिया नहीं है. द मनी दैट इज पेड दैट हैज बीन शोन. नाउ कैरी डाउन पर आ जाइए. दी बैलेंसिंग फिगर है 14,071 and then 10,629. After that, do the balance of the accounts of Lalit, Madhur and Neena. 50,000 Lalit में है, 55,300 it is of Madhur, 25,000 it is of Neena. See, Madhur's loan account, and now you have to pay Madhur. मधुर को आपने पैसा देना है, जितना टाइम ड्यूरेशन है उतना उतना इंटरेस्ट मैंने लेके इसमें किया है. बाय मधुर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट यू कैन सी इट इज रिटन ऑन क्रेडिट साइड. ये पैसा हमें मिला है कैपिटल अकाउंट से. आफ्टर दैट इन डेबिट साइड यू कैन सी 2014 मार्च 31, इसमें हमने इंस्टॉलमेंट लिया है प्लस किया है इंटरेस्ट. टोटल 18,600 हमने दिया है उसको 2014 March 31 में. And after that the payment is done on 2015 March 31st to cash account 16,800. Like this, Madhur's loan account also is over. It is also done. Thank you.